Welcome back to Booze and the Rocks. My name is David Edwards, and today we are going to use these coffee beans and this vodka, and we're going to make the espresso martini. But first, this. Let's get into the history of the espresso martini. The drink that we know today started out life as the vodka espresso. It was created in 1983 by Dirk Birdsell at the Soho Brasserie in London for a model who asked for a drink that would wake me up and mess me up. And those aren't the exact words that were used. Now, this was an 80s drink. In the 90s, anything made with a V-shaped glass and vodka was considered a martini. But in 1998, Dirk Birdsell changed it slightly and served it on ice and called it the pharmaceutical stimulant. At the time, he was working in the newly opened pharmacy. Let's get into making the espresso martini. So first I need my mixing glass. Okay, and now we need 1.5 ounces of vodka, or 45 mils of vodka. And today I'm using Beatty's potato vodka. And we need 1 ounce of espresso. And this is fresh espresso. We also need 3/4 ounce or 22 mils of a coffee liqueur. Today I'm using Tia Maria. And depending on your taste and how you like it, you're gonna add maybe 5 mils of a simple syrup. This is just a little bit depending on whether you normally like your coffee a little bit sweeter or dark and cold and bold. But I'm gonna use my bar spoon here, and I'm gonna use about, not even half a bar spoon. So we gotta put some ice in there. And one of the things about this, and I'm gonna have to apologize now, gotta shake this for a good 30 seconds, and we literally have to shake the shit out of it really hard. Okay, that's pretty close. Now I'm gonna put this into my chilled glass. And using my Hawthorne strainer, I'm also going to use my fine strainer, and I'm going to fine strain this. And what we should start to see happening now is we should start to see the separation of the layer and a little bit of the crema on top. Okay? And we're going to garnish this with 3 coffee beans in a leaf-like pattern. And look at that, a beautiful espresso martini. Isn't that gorgeous? And I like my coffee, so this had better be good. So you can smell the coffee, you can smell the fresh espresso, you can smell the coffee beans that I used, okay? That is really good. This is an A-list drink. I can see why it's been this popular. Apparently this is a hugely popular drink in Australia. Well, if you think I need to use any different alcohols, let me know. Leave it in the a comment in the down below. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the ingredients in the description below us. And you know, if you're new here, like and subscribe to this channel, and make sure you hit the bell to get all the notifications of every time we place a new video. But if you don't like this video, didn't find it entertaining or interesting, hit the thumbs down button twice. And we'll see you next time.